My dear farmers, I am Dr. Kishan Chandra. Many of my brothers and sisters, they have requested to enlighten the kitchen garden cultivation with liquid waste decomposer. First of all, I want to show you, this is the bottle of liquid waste decomposer. It looks like this. This is one bottle is enough for your kitchen garden for your every time you can multiply it. So how to use it? It is a simple way, although I have put lot of videos earlier and others has also put the videos. So but even then I want to just highlight it, how simply you can do the cultivation, multiplication for your kitchen garden. So you take the one bottle only, and if you are in the terrace farming you are doing, if you have pots or roof, there is two type roofs. If you have a big roof, then multiplication is quite big. If you have a small house, some pots, 30, 50, 60 pots of your flowers and vegetables, you can do in simple way. So what you have to do, this is the one component, that is a liquid waste decomposer. Other you have to purchase, because in here in north it is available, this mustard cake. But in other part, if you have a other cake like neem cake or your pongamia cake, any type of cake, mahua cake, any cake you can take. Take a 2-3 kg for stock, and then how to multiply I will tell you. You can make a concentrated cake solution. How to make? You have to take the plastic container, either your tub or your what you call balti, bucket, or you can take a earthen pot. It is up to you. So you take cake, any cake, whatever cake is available to you, 1 kg cake, approximately 1 kg cake, put inside and fill with this, with the water. Drinking, because if you are doing in house, so it is drinking water is good. So you have to put drinking water just above to 6 inch of the material what you have put inside. If it is flat, so it is just dip it. So we can say 1 kg material, 2 to 3 liter of water or more, there is no harm. 1 kg, 3 kg of water, or 4 kg, 5 kg, don't afraid, you can put any amount. What? It depends upon size of container. So when you have put water and cake, then you put 1 bottle or half bottle on it. It will mix, and then what you have to do? Cover it. Cover it with the any cloth. So when you are covering cloth, if you are not able to tolerate the smell, then you put the some wooden, any mica or anything, what, just close it, or any your metallic things, so that air should not come out. So it will multiply. After 4 or 5 days it will dissolve. After 7 days you have to see it is dissolved completely, and after 10 days you have to mess it, or mess it, you can mess earlier also. So mess it, and how to use it, that I am telling. So when you are messing it, you will see this some paste type material you will get. So this is the liquid your fertilizer, and this is the complete fertilizer you are making. Nitrogen, phosphorus, but everything is there and minerals are there. So take the one your jar, one mug, that is contains about 1 liter, half liter. Put it the water for using in the kitchen garden, 10 liter water, 1 mug. If you are taking 15-20 liter, it is no harm. As much concentrate, it will give you quick very quick result, very flow results. If it is diluted, results will be there but slowly. So ideally is 1 kg, 1 liter, one mug with 10 liter water, and just irrigate it every time, every irrigation. At least this material should go minimum once in a week for more flourishing, once in a week. Otherwise, if you are not able to maintain it, you can give once in a 15 days. When you have given this, and again 15 days, repeat it. So you will see total changes, flowering, fruiting, everything will start. That is the one solution, simple solution. You can do it. Everybody can do it in the kitchen garden. But other way, if you want to, you are able to do some laborious work, some effort. So whatever the vegetables, whatever the fruits you are getting, using it, their skin, their waste, that you have to grind it. Make a paste and put in the any bucket. Make a separate bucket, and there you put the waste decomposer. Make a 1 liter, 2 liter, just like you have made here. Water with waste decomposer, it will multiply. Of course, jaggery is there. Jaggery is here also, and there also some jaggery you have to put. So jaggery, this if you are putting 1 liter, 2 liter, you put this about 100 gram jaggery. Jaggery is must. So everywhere jaggery you have to put, and after jaggery you have to multiply it. So this waste material it will come inside. So this waste material will take time. What you are grinded and put, you have to take it after 15 days, and then you mix it with your cake, and jointly you have to put in the your gamlas, earthen pots. So that you will see after 1 or 2 irrigation, lot of earthworms will come in your pots. So when earthworms has came, then what you have to do, you have to take lot of waste, whatever in your house, food waste, fruit waste, whatever things, just grind and put. If you are, if it is soft, rice and other pelts, just you put as such in the any pot, and allow it 15 days. Then you see it will ready, and that is the food for the earthworm. So that you have to use as such in your earthen pots. So they will make your fertilizer in the pot itself, and it will also make the channel. So for irrigation purpose, for your softening the soil. So what will happen when you are every 3 years, 2 years we are changing the soil? That is not required, because it will take care. Earthworms is there, it will years to years, after 5 years, 6 years, you can continue with the things. Now important thing is, if you are in kitchen garden, if you are maintaining in the roof, or if you are maintaining in the house, take the brinjal, take the lady's finger, at least some plants you have to put, and don't uproot it seasonally. Once you put it, when it is off season, just trim it. Then again use it. Decomposer you have to use continuously. You will see again fruiting will start, running, flowering will start. And that will last years to years, more than 5 years you can maintain it. Once it is somehow, if it is affected with the any disease, then you have to uproot. Otherwise no need of uprooting. Just cut it and put it waste decomposer. It will give you the results, and you will enjoying the everything in your house. Similarly, if you have a roof, there you can make effort to all the waste you can put one place, just like in any pot with the waste decomposer, and decompose it. That water you have to use in irrigating in your fields. So that water 1:10 is ideal, or 1:5, any amount you can do, but it should be minimum 5, then 10, 15, 20, it is up to you. For bonsai, it is you have to maintain 1:20, because that required very small quantity of your liquid. So that way, if you are doing it, you will get the good results in your kitchen garden. If your lights are available, sun rays is there, you will get the good harvest of all vegetables. Any vegetable you can make. These are two crops I told that you have to make permanently. But some other crops, just like bottle gourd, your this bitter gourd, or any small bush type, any plant if you are making it. So what you have to do for maintaining the bottle gourd or bitter gourd plants, it is a creeper plant. So as per your house area, you have to trim the plant. Only you have to keep it in mind, bottom side you have to leave 4 leaves. After 4 leaves, whatever the branches are there, just to cut it. If you have a roof, then you let it go up to 10 leaves, then cut. Then if it is your small house, 6 leaves cut, 5 leaf cut, 8 leaves, whatever the things, easily it is maintained. It will come just like bush type plant. And you will see the extraordinary flowering, extraordinary fruiting, bunches of fruit you will get, bunches of material you will get. And some video I am putting here, you can see how it is maintained, how it is coming in the kitchen garden, how it's coming in the outside. So in this way, I think you are able to maintain the kitchen garden. And what you have asked me from beginning, from many days, so I am trying to just make a simple way kitchen garden in your house. Thank you very much.
ये हमारा अनार का पौधा है। कैसे अनार पकड़ा वो थोड़ा देखिए। एक गाछ में कम से कम 100 का ज़्यादा, छोटा सा प्लांट है, फिर भी हमारा कम से कम 100 का ज़्यादा इसमें फ्लावर आ गया। देखिए कितना कैसे आया। देखिए सब झाड़ में देखिए कितना फ्लावर हो गया, 100 का ज़्यादा। राधा।
ഏത് ക്യാമറ എൻ്റെ കയ്യിലുണ്ടായിരുന്നു എൻ്റെ കയ്യിലുണ്ടായിരുന്നു नमस्कार भाई और बहनों। ये तो हमारा बेड़ी तो वो छोटा इलायची का ना, वो छोटा इलायची का बगीचा है। हाँ, आप लोग देखो वो कैसा निकालेगा ना, वो बंगाली वाला आदमी वो निकालता है नहीं, वो उसका पूछते है वो कैसा निकालेगा बोलो वो मुन्ना।
ये वाला पक्का वाला का निकल लेगा, कच्चा वाला को उधर ही है।
हाँ, वो कैसा निकालने के लिए, वो कलेक्ट करने के लिए वो कैसा है बोलो।
हाँ, ये वाला 4 पीस है,
हाँ।
इसको 2 पीस अच्छा है।
हाँ,
ठीक है,
हाँ,
ये
हाँ।
वाला अच्छा है।
अच्छा अच्छा
ये
ठीक है।
वाला अच्छा है।
हाँ कहा अच्छा।
ये वाला 3 पीस
हाँ।
निकल लेगा। ये
निकल-
वाला 1 पीस
हाँ अच्छा
अच्छा नहीं।
हाँ हाँ।
हाँ? ओके।
वो पक्का है नहीं, वो कच्चा
हाँ,
है।
ये
पक्का
वाला
नहीं है, कच्चा है।
ये वाला कच्चा है।
हाँ, एक फूल
हाँ,
एक पक्का एक कच्चा
हाँ।
ऐसा निकालना चाहिए।
हाँ,
ठीक है।
हाँ।
और-
इधर 4 है,
हाँ।
इधर 4 है, मैं 2 पीस
हाँ।
निकल लेगा।
अच्छा
ये
अच्छा
वाला
अच्छा
अच्छा है, 2
अच्छा।
पीस अच्छा है, 2 पीस अच्छा
हाँ।
है, अच्छा है। ठीक है।
हाँ, ये हमारा डॉक्टर कृष्णचंद्र सर, वो नेशनल सेंटर फॉर ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग फ्रॉम गाजियाबाद, वो उसको देने के लिए हमारा 4 बोतल OWD से बेचेगा ना। OWD में हम कंपोस्ट बनाएगा, वो काउडंग में कंपोस्ट बनाएगा, वो कंपोस्ट सब डालेगा, फिर तो OWC स्प्रे कर सकता है। ये देखो कैसा निकलेगा अच्छी तरह हमारा बगीचा है। वो ठीक है, ये देखो कृपया बहुत धन्यवाद।